the way we can clean up this data. This dirty data. Let's clean it up. Let's see. So the first step in cleaning this data is to insert a new columns. So I'm going to insert four columns. Four columns. So I'm going to color the first class, same day, second class, and standard class. Just need to copy it and paste. Next, concatenate. Use the concatenate function. So concatenate all the first class of this class. Last, then fill it up. So the next step is to insert another column. Name it segment. Next step, add filter to row 2. Filter to row 2. Filter out blank space. Blank on the first class, then name it consumer. Then autofill. Next, clear the blanks. Same day, same process. Then OK. Consumer. Then you drag down. This time the autofill process will not be applicable for it. Drag down to fill up. Next step, clear blank. Uncheck the blanks. Then OK. Next, consumer. Then drag down. Good. Clear the blank space. So last part, click blanks, then consumer. Use a fill, same process. So I'm going to do the same process to the corporates. What I'll do next is to hide this consumer. I don't need this consumer columns again, so I'll hide it. So start with corporate, same process, and check the blank. Then OK. Then corporates. So you autofill. Drag down to autofill. For corporate. Then play the blanks. Next, same day. Uncheck the blanks. Corporate. Then autofill. Then play blanks. Next, uncheck blanks. OK. Next, corporate. Autofill down. Okay. Wait one. Clean. Last part. Play blanks. OK. Corporate. So clear the blank page. So I'll hide this also. Guys, this is the home office. Same process. So I'll do it fast. I'll make it fast. So that is that on the home office. So I want to hide it. Clear, then hide. So let's move on. So we need to set up the ship mode. Ship mode. Ship mode. So ship mode. So I'm setting up. I'm going to add filter to that. Then same approach I did for the segments. First class. First class. Then flame lamps. Next. Same day. Same day. Well, next. Second class. Okay, flame. Last part. Standard class. So we can hide it. Okay, before then, I'll add the sales. 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 So we're going to concatenate the values together. Concatenate this, 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 this. So after that, I'm just concatenating that. So if you look at the formula, there is still formula. I mean, look at this. There are formulas inside. So what we need to do next is to remove the formulas. So to remove the formulas, you select all, Control C to copy. Then you right click, fixed as value. Click on this icon, convert to numbers, convert to numbers, type it. So you can delete all this, take this out, take this out. Okay, the cows you have inside. Delete also this, delete all these ones, and delete this, delete this, delete this. So that's all. Next thing to do is to maybe format as table or free. If you want to sort, you are free to sort. So table is now clean. Take this out, the grand total. So here we have 2823. Let's see what we have there.